Hello guys, welcome to my channel HussiTech Services, and today I'm going to show you about unboxing of CPplus DVR 2.4 megapixel. So this is very good digital video recorder from the CPplus. It has a very good quality and it is 16 port channel. So let's unbox this one. We have this DVR, this is very good design, and we have some manuals from CPplus. Okay, and then we have the power adapter. As you can, if we open this one, so as you can see this one, this is a DVR from CPplus. Okay, so very sleek design, black in color. And then you have all the ports from here. As you can see here, this is all video output ports. Okay, and then you have the video out also and audio in also channel from here. And then you have a VGA port, and then you have a HDMI port also to connect an external display like TV. And then you have two USB ports so that you can connect USB mouse. And then you have a LAN port also here, so that you can connect this and to the LAN, to the internet, so that you can view in mobile also. And then you have a DC jack for the power supply. So this supports hard drive to 2 TB, 4 TB, and to the higher capacity also hard drive. Okay, so you can go for this one, no problem. And also we have, as you can see here, we also have CPplus camera of 2.4 megapixel, which we are going to fit with this one to the site, to the customer location. Okay, I'm just doing unboxing here so that people know. Let's unbox. So this is wrapped in a plastic. So now this is a camera from CPplus with very good design. Okay, and then we have DC jack for power supply, and then for the BNC connector for the video output. Okay, we can mount this one to the screws on the walls or to the ceiling. We can mount, and then we can project it to the, and then we can adjust also with this one depending upon our requirement. We can tilt, we can zoom. Okay, we can adjust the viewing accordingly. So we are going to install at the site. So if you like this one, you can go for this. This is very good quality from the CPplus. This DVR you can go, you can put for surveillance anywhere. And if you like it, then you can buy it from the online or from the any distributor point also. You can go ahead. Okay. This DVR supports 2 TB hard drive, 4 TB hard drive, 6 TB hard drive, 10 TB hard drive. And also you can configure this. This supports cloud viewing also. You can configure this DVR CPplus into watch in your mobile if you are away from your location, and if you want to view your premises, you want to surveillance your premises or your office or something, then you can watch it in CMS. You can configure the CMS in your desktop also, in your laptop also, to view the surveillance system in your and this is also very good for the long transmission. Suppose if you have a long distance camera also up to 90 meters, it supports that transmission. And this DVR supports H.265 format, that is the latest from, and this is the megapixel camera which supports the SD format. Thank you for watching it. So if you like my channel and if you want more to get information about the technology, then you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.